Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is t power t equals t power 2. Solve it for the value of t that satisfies this equation. Now, this is what a lot of people would do if you have a power x equals a power y. That means x equals y because the bases are the same. Now, considering that identity here, that means t equals 2 because the bases are all the same. Now, this is just one of the solutions because you can easily solve this. And there's also another solution right here. T power t equals t power 2. Dividing this by t power 2, dividing this by t power 2. This eliminate this, we have 1. So t power t divided by t power 2 equals 1. And there is this identity that if you have a power n divided by a power n equals a power n minus m. So considering this particular identity, we can subtract the exponents. So we have t power t minus 2 equals 1. Now, if this is impressive, what we can do again would be to consider applying natural log. I have natural log of t power t minus 2 equals natural log of 1. Now, remember, natural log of a power p equals p times natural log a. So this is t minus 2, and it comes behind this natural log. I have t minus 2 times natural log of t equals natural log of 1. And natural log of 1 here is 0. So from here, I have t minus 2 times natural log of t equals 0. So right now, I need to equate this to 0. I have t minus 2 equals 0. I have natural log of t equals 0. So right here, if t minus 2 equals 0 can solve for t by simply taking this over here, that means my t equals 2. This is my t1. And to solve for this other one here, I can apply e. I will have e power ln t equals e power 0. So right now, this e eliminate ln, so I have t equals e power 0. And from here, I can have t equals 1. E power 0 is 1, so that means I have 2 here, I have 1 here, meaning that we have gotten 2 different solutions. So the next thing we are going to do will be to find out if there's any other method of solving this. I think we can also solve this by directly applying natural log instead of dividing by t power 2. I can have natural log of t power t equals natural log of t power 2. And remember, natural log of t power p will give you p times natural log of t. Applying that here, that will be t times natural log t equals 2 times natural log t. So I can decide to move this over here to form an equation, or I can also decide to divide with part of this equation by natural log of t. If I divide this by natural log of t and divide this by natural log of t, this eliminate this eliminate this, I have t equals 2. If I move this over here, I form an equation here, meaning that I will simply have t times natural log of t minus 2 times natural log of t equals 0. I can factor out here the common, then is ln t. And this is t minus 2 here because this divides ln t, you have t, minus this divide ln t, you have 2, and this equals 0. Right here, you have ln t equals 0 and t minus 2 equals 0. So you can easily solve for t right now. To solve for t here, you apply e, and you apply e here. E eliminate ln, you have t equals e power 0, which is 1. Now you can also solve for t here by simply moving this negative 2 over here. That means t equals 2. we still have the same thing irrespective of the method that we want to use. Now we can decide to verify using these two solutions. We have verified, we have t equals 1 and t equals 2. Now these are the two solutions that we have gotten so far, and the question remains t power t equals t power 2. Now if t equals 1, I will have 1 power 1 equals 1 power 2. And from here, 1 to the power of 1 is 1 equals 1 to the power of 2 is 1. This is fine. And also, I can also check if t equals 2. T power t equals t power 2. And my t equals 2, I'll have 2 power 2 equals 2 power 2. 2 power 2 here is 4 equals 2 power 2 here is 4. The both sides are also the same, irrespective of the method that you want to use. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Thank you and